In this video, I'll show you how to check gas fees before a transaction on Metamask. First, open the Metamask app or browser extension and sign into your wallet. Start the transaction you want to make, whether you're sending crypto, swapping tokens, or interacting with a decentralized app. Now, enter the transaction details, including the recipient address and the amount you want to send. Before you confirm the transaction, Metamask will display a confirmation screen. Next, look for the network fee or gas fee section on the confirmation page. Here, you'll see the estimated gas fee required to complete the transaction. The fee may change depending on current network activity. After that, if the option is available, tap or click the gas fee settings to review or adjust the transaction speed. Choosing a faster option usually costs more, while a slower option may reduce the fee but take longer to confirm. Now, review the total amount, including the gas fee, before confirming the transaction. If the fee is higher than you'd like, you can cancel the transaction before submitting it and try again later when the network is less busy. Finally, once you're satisfied with the transaction details and the gas fee, tap or click Confirm to send your transaction. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check gas fees before a transaction on Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.